Go get them. Go get the eggs, guys. She's just moseying. Pick them up. Pick them up. Yeah, put them in there. Don't put it. All right, we'll leave it alone. You get to open it later. No, put it in your basket. You got to get more. Open them later. Get more. Be nice. There's some over there. Look. Look over there. Uh-oh. All right, come on, guys. Well, did you guys have fun on your hunt? Look at Sonya's. Look at Marky's. All right, let's go count them up.